Hi Gemini, and welcome to your June reading. I hope you had a good month last month. It feels as if it was quite a resolving month for you. I'm going to take an oracle card for you and a couple of tarot cards to give you an idea of the energies for the month ahead. I do tend to keep these readings quite brief, so if you are new to me, then hello and thank you for stopping by. And if you've returned to me, then I hope that last month was great and that you look forward to this month too. So as with everything, please remember this is a reading for the collective. If it doesn't resonate, then please also check out your moon and or your rising signs, because there may be a message there for you. I'm going to pop the tarot to one side. I'm using the Wisdom of Hafiz because I like them. They're beautiful. They're very gentle energy. It feels as if we need it at the moment, actually. So we're talking about June for Gemini. It's either just turned your birthday or you've got your birthday coming. In which case, also happy birthday, Gemini. We have the solstice coming up on the 21st. Oh, I'm throwing all the cards everywhere. I'll take that one. Okay, because that felt as if we had lots of messages and that one was the right one to take. And that says, take the opportunity. Sorry, my phone just interrupted then, so I hope it didn't. Right, okay. And then we're going to have tarot reading for Gemini. So you're about to have an opportunity this month. Okay, let's have June. This feels about right now. June for Gemini, please. 6 cards. Thank you. Right. Put cards to one side. Goodness me, lots going on in this month. Okay, so you've got some significant change going on. Okay. At the beginning of the month, you're feeling a little bit out in the cold financially. So there could have been just a big bill, or there's something that needs paying, something that needs settling. And I need to always remind people when they get the 5s, it feels as if you've just lost some finances. You know, that's the card. That's what it means. You can see that, you know, this person is basically feeling quite injured by this payment. So it's not a nice thing to go through because we hate it when we get those bills. This looks as if it's a bill that comes and you think, oh my goodness me, it couldn't have come at a worse time. But actually, it's okay. There's something that needs settling and you'll settle it and then move forward. I think the thing to remember always with the 5 is that actually the finances are there. You can see it's in the window. So actually there is money there. It's, you probably would have liked to have spent it on something else. So there's a bill that needs paying. Now the Hierophant is comes in straight off. So once you've settled that at the beginning of the very beginning of the month, you move straight into a period of time where you're working with the Hierophant energy. And this is a learning card. So you're either going to be learning. Yeah, you are. Yeah, so sorry, I'm just kind of consulting at the same time. You're learning something new. Maybe the bill is to learn something new. Maybe because you've paid the bill, you've learnt how to handle the situation. There's knowledge involved in here. It's either the fact that you are seeking knowledge or you're seeking mentorship. So you could be going to consult with somebody or get some guidance from somebody about this financial situation. Or it could be that you have learnt from it. So you've paid it and now you've learnt from it. Or there's an investment that needs to make and you're going to do some more study around it. So you've got the spending of money attached to a learning card. And then after that, so you have this like, I'm going to learn how to do this, or I've learnt my lesson, or I'm going to study. You could be about to study something. And in the middle of the month, you basically, you just move forward. So the Chariot is a major arcana. This is a significant change. That is a significant change. So this period of learning, whatever that is, you're learning from it as in you're moving forward. The Chariot, you move forward swiftly. So you study something that's going to take a financial investment and you move forward with absolute ambition, progress. What's the word I want to say? You're moving forward with determination. So you're just basically getting on with it. There's no, it's, yeah, you're just, I would call it cracking on with it, because that's what I do. Crack the whip and just get on with it. It's a JDI card, this. Just do it. No thinking about it, just do it. And then you have the King of Wands coming in. So this says that there's some responsibility with regards to stuff to do with work. And Wands is always the things we do on a daily basis. So it's your place of work. It's something you do on a daily basis, a lot of an activity. It can sometimes be like a hobby or something we do as a pastime, but it's more fire, action, work related. This feels as if you're taking responsibility for something at work. Interesting to see if you actually have a change at work here, really. Because you're moving forward into a place of responsibility. Because you're fed up with the way things are. So you have this card here, which is the dissatisfaction. So you get on with it because you're actually fed up with, it's just a card of fed up. Look, it passes, but you are fed up. And you're fed up with taking care of yourself. Or you're fed up with your mum. Or you're fed up with your sister. I mean, I try and keep the people out of it because it feels as if there is a female energy there. And it can be very much you're fed up with a situation with regards to a woman that you care about or a woman that's in your life that you care. And it's just a slight dissatisfaction. It's not like anything that's like life-changing. It's just that you get a bit fed up with not really knowing. Okay, you're frustrated by, I'm just trying to see what's coming through. See if I can clear this up for you. You're frustrated because you have to take care of yourself. So it's not really a resolving. You kind of like, you start this whole thing at the beginning of the month, then you move forward with determination. You just get on with it. You take responsibility for the things that you need to do on a daily basis. You're just basically organizing and managing your life as a king does. You're just getting on with it. And you are fed up with taking care of yourself. That kind of feels like that's the end of the thing. But remember that there was an opportunity. So you remember it says take the opportunity. That was the card that came through. So I would suggest that at some point during the month, the opportunity is either to do with how you move forward with direction. So pay close attention to that. Things take time. So don't get frustrated with having to do it all yourself because things take time. That's what the cards are saying to me. Or the opportunity will be with regards to the learning. So, for example, you could start something at work where it says, right, okay, we've got a new course. Did you want to go on it? And you go, I've got enough to do, but okay, I want to get some more money. I need to take a step up, a promotion role or something like that. Then actually that's what happens here. Okay, so I hope that has given you plenty to think about. And as I say, happy birthday, Gemini. I hope that it does work out. Just as I say, just get on with it. Take what you need from it, and then take the opportunity. That was the optimism that came out of the oracle for you. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for your time.